Welcome to our video on the 7 worst foods that feed cancer cells. Today, we'll uncover how certain dietary choices can actually promote the growth of cancer and why it's crucial to be mindful of what we eat. Cancer cells thrive on specific nutrients and substances found in common foods, making it essential to identify and avoid them. Throughout this video, we'll explore each food in detail, discuss the science behind their effects, and offer healthier alternatives. Let's start by understanding the connection between diet and cancer, setting the stage for a deeper look into the foods you should avoid. Sugar is often at the top of the list when it comes to foods that feed cancer cells. Cancer cells are known to consume glucose at a much higher rate than normal cells, fueling their rapid growth. Consuming high amounts of refined sugar, such as those found in sodas, candies, and baked goods, can create an environment where cancer cells thrive. The spike in blood sugar levels not only feeds cancer, but also contributes to inflammation and insulin resistance. By understanding sugar's impact, we can make better choices and reduce our risk. Next, let's look at processed meats and their connection to cancer. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats, have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. These foods often contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into carcinogenic compounds in the body. Additionally, processed meats are typically high in saturated fat and salt, further contributing to health risks. Regular consumption of these meats can create a pro-cancer environment in your body. It's important to seek healthier protein sources, such as fish or plant-based options, to lower your cancer risk. Moving forward, let's examine the dangers of fried foods. Fried foods, including French fries, fried chicken, and chips, are notorious for containing carcinogenic substances like acrylamide, which forms during high-temperature cooking. These foods are also high in unhealthy fats and calories, leading to obesity, a known risk factor for cancer. The repeated use of cooking oils can increase the concentration of harmful compounds, further raising cancer risk. By reducing fried food intake and opting for baking or steaming, you can significantly lower your exposure to these dangerous substances. Next, let's discuss the impact of white flour products. White flour products, such as bread, pasta, and pastries, are highly refined and stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, which can feed cancer cells and promote inflammation. The lack of fiber also means slower digestion and less protection against harmful substances in the gut. Choosing whole grain alternatives can help stabilize blood sugar and provide essential nutrients that support overall health. Now, let's turn our attention to artificial sweeteners and their controversial role in cancer. Artificial sweeteners, like aspartame and saccharin, are commonly used in diet, sodas, and sugar-free products. While marketed as healthier alternatives, some studies suggest they may disrupt gut bacteria and potentially promote cancer cell growth. The long-term effects of artificial sweeteners are still debated, but caution is advised, especially for those with a history of cancer. Opting for natural sweeteners, such as stevia or honey in moderation, can be a safer choice. Let's move on to the risks associated with canned foods. Many canned foods contain bisphenol A, BPA, a chemical used in the lining of cans. BPA has been linked to hormone disruption and increased cancer risk, particularly breast and prostate cancers. Additionally, canned foods often have high sodium and preservatives, which can further impact health. Whenever possible, choose fresh or frozen foods to avoid exposure to BPA and other harmful additives. Next, we'll discuss the dangers of alcohol consumption in relation to cancer. Alcohol is a well-established carcinogen, meaning it can directly cause cancer. Regular consumption increases the risk of cancers in the mouth, throat, liver, breast, and colon. Alcohol breaks down into acetaldehyde, a toxic compound that damages DNA and impairs the body's ability to repair itself. Limiting alcohol intake or avoiding it altogether is a key step in reducing cancer risk. Now, let's summarize the 7 worst foods and discuss healthier alternatives. Let's recap the 7 worst foods that feed cancer cells: refined sugar, processed meats, fried foods, white flour products, artificial sweeteners, canned foods with BPA, and alcohol. Each of these foods contributes to an environment where cancer cells can thrive, either by providing fuel, causing inflammation, or introducing harmful chemicals. By avoiding these foods and making healthier choices, you can significantly lower your risk of cancer and improve your overall well-being. Next, we'll explore practical tips for making better dietary decisions. One of the best ways to protect yourself from cancer is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that help fight cancer. These foods support your immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. By making whole foods the foundation of your diet, you can create a strong defense against cancer. Let's look at how to read food labels to avoid hidden dangers. Food labels can be tricky, but learning to read them is essential for avoiding cancer-feeding ingredients. Look for hidden sugars, artificial additives, and preservatives. Pay attention to ingredient lists and nutrition facts, focusing on products with minimal processing and natural components. By becoming label savvy, you can make informed choices and steer clear of foods that may promote cancer. Next, we'll discuss the importance of cooking methods. How you cook your food matters just as much as what you eat. Baking, steaming, and grilling are healthier alternatives to frying. These methods preserve nutrients and minimize the formation of harmful compounds like acrylamide. By choosing gentle cooking techniques, you can reduce your exposure to carcinogens and enjoy meals that support your health. Next, let's explore the role of antioxidants in cancer prevention. Antioxidants are powerful compounds found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. They help neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to cancer. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants supports your body's natural defenses and reduces cancer risk. Focus on colorful produce like berries, leafy greens, and nuts to maximize your intake. Next, let's discuss the importance of fiber in cancer prevention. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion and cancer prevention. It helps move harmful substances through the digestive tract and supports beneficial gut bacteria. High-fiber foods, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can lower the risk of colorectal cancer and improve overall health. By increasing your fiber intake, you can create a gut environment that resists cancer cell growth. Next, let's look at hydration and its impact on health. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health and cancer prevention. Water helps flush toxins from the body and supports cellular functions. Dehydration can lead to poor digestion and increased risk of disease. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit sugary beverages. Proper hydration complements a healthy diet and strengthens your body's defenses. Next, we'll discuss the importance of limiting processed foods. Processed foods are often loaded with additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can promote inflammation and create an environment where cancer cells thrive. By reducing your intake of processed foods and focusing on fresh, whole options, you can lower your cancer risk and improve your health. Next, let's explore the benefits of plant-based diets. Plant-based diets are rich in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which help protect against cancer. By emphasizing fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, you can reduce your intake of cancer-feeding foods and support your body's natural defenses. Plant-based meals are also lower in saturated fat and free from harmful additives. Next, let's discuss the importance of moderation in dietary choices. While it's important to avoid cancer-feeding foods, moderation is key. Occasional indulgence won't necessarily increase your risk, but regular consumption can be harmful. Balance your diet with healthy choices and limit exposure to dangerous foods. By practicing moderation, you can enjoy a variety of foods while protecting your health. Next, let's look at the role of regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is a powerful tool in cancer prevention. Exercise helps regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and maintain a healthy weight. These factors all contribute to lowering cancer risk. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Combined with a healthy diet, exercise can greatly improve your overall well-being. Next, let's discuss the importance of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for cancer prevention and overall health. During sleep, the body repairs cells and regulates immune function. Poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances and increased inflammation, raising cancer risk. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night to support your body's defenses. Next, let's explore stress management and its impact on cancer. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and promote inflammation, both of which contribute to cancer development. Practicing stress management techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing, can help protect your health. By reducing stress, you support your body's ability to fight disease and maintain balance. Next, let's discuss the importance of regular medical checkups. Regular medical checkups are vital for early detection and prevention of cancer. Screenings and tests can identify potential issues before they become serious. By staying proactive with your health, you can catch problems early and take steps to reduce your risk. Combine medical care with healthy lifestyle choices for the best protection. Next, let's look at the role of genetics in cancer risk. Genetics play a role in cancer risk, but lifestyle choices can make a significant difference. Even if you have a family history of cancer, adopting healthy habits can lower your risk. Focus on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management to support your body and minimize genetic risks. Next, let's discuss the importance of community and support. Having a strong support system can help you make healthier choices and stay motivated. Friends, family, and community groups provide encouragement and accountability. Sharing your journey and learning from others can make a big difference in maintaining a cancer-preventive lifestyle. Next, let's look at the importance of education and awareness. Staying informed about cancer risks and prevention strategies empowers you to make better choices. Education helps you recognize dangerous foods and habits, and awareness motivates change. Seek reliable information from trusted sources and stay updated on new research. Next, let's discuss the importance of setting goals for a healthier lifestyle. Setting realistic health goals can help you stay on track and avoid cancer-feeding foods. Start with small changes, such as swapping processed snacks for fresh fruit or reducing sugary drinks. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. By setting goals, you create a roadmap for lasting health improvements. Next, let's look at meal planning for cancer prevention. Meal planning is a powerful tool for avoiding cancer-feeding foods. Plan your meals around whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Prepare healthy snacks in advance to reduce temptation. By organizing your meals, you can ensure balanced nutrition and minimize exposure to harmful ingredients. Next, let's discuss the importance of portion control. Controlling portion sizes helps prevent overeating and reduces the risk of obesity, a major cancer risk factor. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues. By practicing portion control, you can enjoy your favorite foods in moderation and maintain a healthy weight. Next, let's look at the importance of mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to what and how you eat. Slow down, savor each bite, and avoid distractions during meals. This practice can help you recognize fullness, reduce overeating, and make healthier choices. Mindful eating supports digestion and overall well-being. Next, let's discuss the importance of healthy snacks. Choosing healthy snacks can help you avoid cancer-feeding foods and maintain energy throughout the day. Opt for fruits, nuts, yogurt, or vegetables instead of processed chips or sweets. Healthy snacks provide nutrients and keep you satisfied between meals. Next, let's look at the importance of variety in your diet. Eating a variety of foods ensures you get a wide range of nutrients and reduces the risk of nutrient deficiencies. Rotate your choices of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains to keep meals interesting and balanced. Variety also helps prevent boredom and encourages healthier eating habits. Next, let's discuss the importance of cooking at home. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and cooking methods, helping you avoid cancer-feeding foods. Experiment with new recipes and use fresh, whole ingredients. Home-cooked meals are often healthier and more satisfying. Next, let's look at the importance of limiting fast food. Fast food is often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can feed cancer cells. Limit your intake and choose healthier options when eating out. Preparing meals at home is a better way to ensure balanced nutrition and avoid harmful ingredients. Next, let's discuss the importance of food safety. Food safety is crucial for preventing illness and reducing cancer risk. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, cook meats to safe temperatures, and avoid cross-contamination. Proper food handling protects you from harmful bacteria and chemicals. Next, let's look at the importance of avoiding food packaging chemicals. Chemicals in food packaging, such as BPA and phthalates, can leach into food and increase cancer risk. Choose fresh foods and avoid plastic containers when possible. Use glass or stainless steel for storage. Next, let's discuss the importance of organic foods. Organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals. Choosing organic produce can lower cancer risk and support environmental health. While organic options may be more expensive, they offer peace of mind and better nutrition. Next, let's look at the importance of seasonal eating. Eating seasonal foods ensures freshness and higher nutrient content. Seasonal produce is often more affordable and supports local farmers. By choosing foods in season, you can enjoy better taste and nutrition while reducing cancer risk. Next, let's discuss the importance of hydration with clean water. Drinking clean, filtered water helps reduce exposure to contaminants that may increase cancer risk. Avoid bottled water with plastic chemicals and choose safe filtration methods. Clean water supports overall health and complements a cancer-preventive diet. Next, let's look at the importance of limiting sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as sodas and energy drinks, are packed with refined sugars that feed cancer cells. Replace them with water, herbal teas, or natural juices. Limiting sugary beverages helps control blood sugar and reduces cancer risk. Next, let's discuss the importance of healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, support cell health and reduce inflammation. Avoid trans fats and excessive saturated fats, which can promote cancer cell growth. By choosing healthy fats, you nourish your body and lower cancer risk. Next, let's look at the importance of regular health screenings. Regular health screenings help detect cancer early and improve outcomes. Schedule routine checkups and follow your doctor's recommendations. Early detection is key to successful treatment and prevention. Next, let's discuss the importance of staying active throughout life. Staying physically active throughout life helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces cancer risk. Incorporate movement into your daily routine, whether through walking, sports, or exercise classes. Consistent activity supports overall health and longevity. Next, let's look at the importance of positive mindset. A positive mindset can influence health outcomes and motivate healthy behaviors. Focus on gratitude, optimism, and self-care to support your journey. Mental health is closely linked to physical health, and maintaining positivity can help you make better choices. Next, let's discuss the importance of regular self-assessment. Regular self-assessment helps you stay aware of your health and make necessary changes. Reflect on your habits, track progress, and adjust goals as needed. Self-awareness is key to maintaining a cancer-preventive lifestyle. Next, let's summarize the main points and encourage healthy living. In conclusion, avoiding the 7 worst foods that feed cancer cells, refined sugar, processed meats, fried foods, white flour products, artificial sweeteners, canned foods with BPA, and alcohol is a powerful step toward cancer prevention. Combine these dietary changes with healthy habits like exercise, sleep, stress management, and regular checkups for the best protection. Remember, your choices matter, and every small change adds up to a healthier, cancer-resistant life. Stay informed, stay motivated, and prioritize your well-being.